So this is what the box of Nord 2 looks like. Go ahead, open this. Let's go ahead and unbox, check what we get. The first thing to come out is the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, this is in a beautiful blue color. Kind of reminds me of the original OnePlus Nord. This color is called Blue Haze. Quickly power it on. Keep it aside. Let's deeper into the box and see what else do you get here. So I get a case in the box. I'll put that on later. SIM eject tool. You get a membership card. It's here. The red club card, then a quick start guide, safety information, and OnePlus Nord stickers. Keep this aside. I'll just keep the eject pin handy so that we can check the configuration on the phone. And this here is Warp Charge 65, as you can see. 65 watt charging and a typical OnePlus cable, right? So you get a USB type A and USB type C connector on the other side. Now keep this aside, there's nothing else in the box. So now let's go to the phone. As you can see, it's got an in-display fingerprint scanner. Unlock at the moment. You can set up face as well, navigation, gestures, and the typical 3-button layout. I'm going to go with the navigation gestures. And now that this is a setup, so as you can see at the front, you've got a big 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a hole punch at the corner. This hole punch has a 32 megapixel camera. That's for selfies. This display has full HD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. In terms of the build quality, it's got a glass sandwich design. So the back and the front are Corning Gorilla Glass 5. You can see this is where the SIM tray is. I have the pin with me. Let's go ahead and check the configuration. As you can see, it's a dual nano SIM design. So now in terms of the build quality, yes, it does feel premium to the touch and it weighs about 189 grams. Now you get 3 color options on the OnePlus Nord 2. You get Grey Sierra, Blue Haze that I have here, and Green Wood. The battery capacity is 4500 mAh, something that's I think quite common now on other OnePlus devices as well. And now let's straight up go to the camera module over here. So as you can see, it's got a triple camera setup, but the third camera, it's very easy to miss and it's smaller compared to the other two. So you have a 50 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. The third camera is a 2 megapixel mono lens. In terms of ports, you've got the USB type C port at the bottom 5 speaker, and at the top you only have the microphone, secondary microphone that is. Camera module does protrude slightly. So the OnePlus Nord 2 5G also gets a stereo speakers, something that, well, it's not very common when you look at smartphones in under a certain budget. So let's just check. It's got the earpiece. There you go.
You're talking like you think you're royalty.
So that is loud, and it's a good option for someone who's looking at entertainment device.